In this video, we will show you how to install and commissioning the E4. We assume that the machine and accessory items have already been unpacked. First, check the scope of delivery. The provided accessory items are stored in the accessory cushion that you removed from the top of the machine during unpacking. Compare the items to the list in the machine's operating instructions. We have put a link to the list in the video description below. Now you will need to connect the machine to the CAM computer. You can connect the machine either directly to your CAM computers or via the local network. In this video, we will establish a direct connection. For integrating the machine into your network, you will require the assistance of your IT specialist. Plug the supplied Ethernet cable into the network connection on the machine connection panel. For a direct connection, plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the network port on the CAM computer. For dry machining, install the air extraction system. Insert the suction hose into the opening for the suction unit. Ensure that the suction hose is properly seated. If a compatible data cable is available for your suction unit, connect it to the machine's air extraction interface. This will allow your machine to switch the suction unit on and off as required. Establish the electric connection. Plug the provided power cable into the main connection on the connection panel of the machine. Insert the plug of the cable into a socket that is protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter. Now the machine is ready for commissioning. Switch on the machine at the main power switch. The working chamber lighting lights up white. This indicates that the machine is powered but that no connection to Dental CNC has been established yet. Therefore, the machine is not referencing. You must now set up the software connection between the CAM computer and the machine. Switch on the CAM computer so that Windows will boot up. Install Dental CAM and Dental CNC. Select E4 from the machine selection list in the Setup program. During the installation, CNC Interface Proxy will be installed. You must now set up the connection between Dental CNC and the machine with this application. We provide a video on this topic. After the connection has been established, the machine references and the lighting turns green. Warm up the spindle with Dental CNC. We provide a video on this topic. If you want to use the machine for wet machining, you can then continue with filling and cooling liquid. In this case, you need to place the drain insert out of the accessory cushion into the opening of the working chamber. If you want to use the machine for dry machining, watch our video on this topic. Your machine is now ready for operation. You can continue with mounting blanks. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E4. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.